Hello, everyone. My name is Sriharsha, and what I've created for this coding lab project is an all-in web platform. The main features are an information page, getting the live data, the infection probability, and I've also added a blog forum where people can post their thoughts and what they like, just any stories or experiences they have about COVID-19. I can use the web platform to give data to government agencies who can later track and use the data to identify potential COVID-19 carriers. The key differentiator in my code is that I use machine learning to predict the probability of someone having the virus. And the data used for the prediction purposes can be obtained from current COVID-19 patients. And based on that, I fit that on a regression line. Using machine learning, I predict the probability. Due to lockdown in various countries, I'm sure that not many people will be going out. So the website is accessible to anyone, anywhere.